Food safety officials performed surprise inspection at 329 locations, collecting 374 samples from local fish markets around the state. Thiruvananthapuram had the largest number of stale seafood seized. Following reports of widespread sale of stale and contaminated fish, the Kerala Food Safety Department has advised consumers to be cautious, even as it has launched a crackdown on the sellers of harmful products. The Food Safety Agency has deployed night and day squad as a part of the larger monitoring effort to guarantee that the public has access to safe seafood. According to TNIE, the Commissionerate of the Food Safety has formed special squads under each district office to perform inspection at night auction market, check station and local markets around the state. Food safety officials performed surprise inspection at 329 locations, collecting 374 samples from local fish market around the state. On the first day of the drive, the official gathered civilian samples from the Amarvilla checkpoint and the Panchimondu market, the night fish markets in Venjaramuddu, Kadambattu Konam, TV Junction, Povar and other days market like Perurur Kada, Keshav Dashapuram and Marurtam Kuzi, according to an official, would be scrutinized. So now the question arises, how to check that the fish is fresh? Use your finger to test the fish. When pressing down on the flesh with your finger, the fingerprint should vanish quickly as the flesh bounces back. If it is still present, the fish is not fresh. The eyes of a fresh fish will be clear, bright and shining. They will also have bright metallic skin. Look for scales that are tightly connected. On rooting fish, you will find disjointed ones. The gills of a fresh fish are bright and red. It is brown or faded in a stale fish. If there is a slime near the gills, the fish is stale. Fresh fish does not have a fishy odor. So now the question is where to complain. People can call on the toll-free number 1800-425-1125 in the event of any adulteration in the food goods, especially seafood. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business and do share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.